everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, it is only a couple weeks till Black Friday. I am so excited. I love shopping on Black Friday. I also like shopping just around this time because I love to get deals, and one thing I love to do is save money. So I am here to share with you guys how I prepare for Black Friday. Now, today's video is sponsored by Fetch Rewards. If you guys do not know what Fetch Rewards is one of my ultimate favorite apps. I have been using it for years. Basically, what you guys do is every time you guys go shopping, like grocery shopping, anytime you get stuff at the gas station, other things here and there, you guys scan your receipt and you get points. Now, every receipt you guys scan, you get 25 points. And then if you guys get certain bonuses, like certain brands, including like Dove and Huggies and just tons of other things, you guys get additional bonus points. And then they also have it where if you guys buy specific items that are in the app, you can get even more bonus points. So what I love to do is save up my points and use them for the Black Friday or Christmas shopping. So I'm just going to kind of share with you guys on that. But thank you, Fetch Rewards, for sponsoring this video. I love it. But one thing I do want to say, if you guys do not have Fetch Rewards, you guys will click the link that I have below. You guys enter the code, the word JEN, J-E-N, and you guys, for the next 72 hours after this video is posted, you will get 4,000 points. That is equivalent to $4. You guys will get $4 when you guys join. Otherwise, if not, sometimes it's different depending on when you watch this. It could be 4,000, it could be 3, or it could be 2,000 points. They do change it. Usually on the weekends they have some really good deals when you guys join, but you guys click my referral link below, and you guys use code word JEN, J-E-N. You guys will get 4,000 points when you join, and you guys can start redeeming as a little of $3. So yes. So one thing I do want to tell you guys is I just kind of made this little printable sheet on Black Friday shopping trip, and I will have the link below for you guys in case you guys want to do that, because every time I go shopping, that's why I like the ads getting leaked out. I mean, you guys, I love Black Friday that much that it says Black Friday 2019. But yeah, I love shopping so much that I love to save money. I end up buying stuff for myself too, just because like I get such a good deal for it. I'm like, and I don't like people spending money on me. Like they don't shop like I do. Like I can get more bang for my buck, but they don't. So sometimes, like I know, like with my parents or my in-laws or my husband, I'll just buy it for myself, and they can give it to me later because, like, if they bought it, they wouldn't have saved as much money as I did. So I always look through the ads. Like right now the ads are leaked, which are awesome, and that's one thing I really like. I like going through the ads and kind of figuring out. In the past, you know, before they leaked on the internet, you get them like the day of, and you're like, okay, what do I want? What do I want? Now that's one thing I really liked is the ads are leaked because you can actually do some shopping and you can plan your trip. You can also work on Christmas gifts ahead of time. So what I ended up doing is I made this little spreadsheet, and I just kind of wrote something down that to help you. So the first item I wrote is the item. One thing I love getting, you know, for Christmas for gifts is like personal care products, like little gift boxes and stuff like that, toys, movies, clothes, anything like that. The next item I wrote is store. So then it helps you figure out what store you want to go to. I usually go to 3 or 4 stores. It also tells you guys what the price is, so you guys can kind of know. Now some stores might have it for this price and some stores might have it for that price, but I've gone to the one store that has it for the lower price and they sold out. So if you guys ever need, like, you know, some items like that, I also have it who it's for. So if you guys are like, okay, who do I get this for? You guys can always write who. And then I wrote size and color in case you guys are getting a certain outfit or certain something. You guys can always make notes. And then I also wrote hours because every store fluctuates. Some stores open Thanksgiving night at like 5 p.m. I know one store's open at 2 p.m., like 2 p.m. I think that's JCPenney's. But you guys, you know, I have it with stores that open, and then a lot of them are closing before the end of the night is over with. So you guys can figure that out. And then there's a lot of stores that are open Friday morning. I have never gone shopping in a Friday morning probably in the last 10 to 12 years because I work Black Friday. I work Black Friday morning, and I actually love it. I love the rush. I love, you know, how people are, most people are just like excited. So if you guys work retail, you totally understand, but I love it. I love it. And you know, I'm not complaining. And then the last item, I just have like a checklist so you guys can kind of pay attention. But I will have this below also, so you guys can kind of, you know, kind of do that. So speaking of what I also do to prepare for Black Friday is I start redeeming my apps. So for Fetch rewards, you guys, one thing about Fetch is you have to redeem them every 6 hours. So what I end up doing is I redeem like a $50 Walmart gift card. Now I save a lot of my points up for the whole entire year, but what I end up doing is I save up, or I redeem a $50 Walmart gift card. Well, then with Fetch, you have to wait 6 hours before you can redeem it again. So what you guys want to do to redeem it, I'm actually just going to kind of show you guys right here because I need to redeem another gift card. So you're just going to go to the Fetch Rewards app. It's going to open right here for you guys. And then you're just going to go, you're going to click the little star that says Rewards. And, you know, you got here, I'm going to actually redeem a $50 gift card because I'm just, you know, going for it. So I'm just going to do Walmart. So right here, there's Walmart right here. I'm going to click that right there. And then I'm just going to hit Get My $50 Rewards Card. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to use your points for this reward? Yes. So then what they're going to do is they're going to send me a text right here. They're going to send me a text that I have to enter. It's a 4-digit number, and then once you enter that, then you most likely will get the gift card like instantly. Most likely this takes like 2 minutes to get. So I just got my number, so I'm going to enter that number. And then I'm going to hit validate. So basically it says right here, your reward is waiting for you. So I can either go to the app, where it says my rewards. I don't want the number to show up. Okay, so basically you guys are just going to go to the app, like right here when you do the thing, and you just click my rewards, and there is my $50 Walmart gift card. Okay, so I can click on it, and then it also will have, it'll take you to this site where you can view your gift card. They will also send you an email in case it doesn't work on the app. And then what I do is I save it on my phone. I just screenshot the gift card on my phone, because in case the internet's not working or something's not going right while you guys are in the store, because there's people on their phones like crazy in the stores because everybody's just sitting there in line. So that's what I do. I save my barcode for the gift card, because then in case something goes wrong, I have it on my phone saved, and I have an actual folder that I put on my phone in my files that says Black Friday. So that's where I have all my gift cards. So that's basically how you guys do it. So then what I'm going to do in a couple hours, in 6 hours, I'm going to redeem for a Target gift card, and again, save that on my phone. So you guys, this is awesome. Like, this is what I do, and I try to do it ahead of time. Like right now, we're looking at what? Almost 2 weeks already before Thanksgiving. So I kind of just do that just in case something goes wrong, or I need to get a hold of the company, you know, in case you guys have problems. Do this stuff now. But yeah, every 6 hours. And that's pretty much how I plan for, you know, Black Friday. I usually go by myself. It's better to go with somebody, but I like to just go by myself. I have nobody who is crazy like I am. So I go by myself. But I usually kind of chit chat with people that I'm in line with. I might even do a live video with you guys while I'm in line at one of the stores. But you know, and it'd be nice to go shopping, but I just don't have any crazies. So if you guys live in my area and you want to be crazy with me, hit me up. Just send me a message or something, you guys, because, yeah. But again, I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you, Fetch Rewards, for sponsoring this video. You guys, this Fetch Rewards has helped me out a lot. I'm excited to, you know, save up all my points, and then I can basically get gifts for free just by scanning my receipts. So definitely want to share with you guys that. Definitely check out this printable, and if you guys want to, you know, this is an awesome shirt. I'm going to wear this on Friday. Black Friday. Oh, yeah. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concern of how you guys can prepare for Black Friday, please let me know. If you guys have any insights that I did not talk about, or if you have any good deals or ideas, definitely comment below. I'd love to see your guys' reaction. And again, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.